Hey, this is Michael Walker with Keller Williams Realty here in Rochester. Wanted to give you a quick Tech Pick Tuesday that I'm going to try to start doing this every week and release it out on different social media blogs to see if I can learn a little bit more about this video blogging. Anyways, I thought the first thing we should look at is stuff that we've already got access to through the GRAR, and it's paid for in our dues, so we might as well be using it. And the first thing I think that is high on my list is Instanet Forms. Instanet Forms has been subscribed to by GRAR for about a year and a half now, and quite honestly, it was a little complicated when we first started. It was a little bit difficult to look at the login screen and kind of navigate it, but it has gotten a lot better in the last month or two, and there's been two great improvements. One of which is a print server, which allows you to print just as if you're printing to your office computer, or your office printer rather, and it will upload the documents immediately, which is nice. Second is the mobile the mobile Instanet Forms, which I think is also very nice. So to get to Instanet Forms, you're going to hit your sidebar, open that up, and then you click log on to Instanet Forms. Once you click that, it's going to open up a new box, or a new window rather, in Internet Explorer. And you'll see that the first thing it typically defaults to is going to be your DocBox Pro. The DocBox Pro was a little bit more cumbersome interface that was released again a couple years back when we first joined in. Now they've gone ahead and released a DocBox Lite. What's nice about DocBox Lite is it kind of gets down to the nitty-gritty. It gives you your forms, your documents, your transactions, and your contacts. Forms are typically forms that you have not yet gotten signatures on. Documents are usually forms that are put back into the system with signatures or at least filled out. Transactions are just that, all of your transactions, and contacts are also just that, your contacts. Contacts can be uploaded via Outlook Express and probably some other contact management software. Transactions are what we're going to look at today. When you click on transactions, it's going to open up a new box, or a new window rather, and you'll see I've been using it for quite some time, so I've got quite a few contracts that are run through here. One of the ones that just recently closed was Judson. So if I click on Judson, it's going to open up and give me a property information detail. Those details are pretty much always filled out by the MLS. Some little stuff here and there we have to fill out, but most of this is auto-populated, which is the beauty behind DocBox. Contacts, again, 5 of the 6 here, 6, 7, 5 of the 7, 6 of the 7 have been filled out by the ML Exchange. The only one I had to put in was the buyer. Forms are going to be, again, forms that I've put into the contract that I wanted to use to purchase this property for my clients. Documents are documents that came back into the system. We'll talk a little bit more about that. This was a referral, so I even put the referral in here just so I had all my documents in one place. One of the other beauties of DocBox is going to be this history tab. The history shows us that there have been 104 different instances of things that have happened within this transaction. Read that as 104 different opportunities for a piece of paper to be lost. Now, during the intro, we talked about the two great benefits that they added recently. One of which is DocBox Mobile, which allows you to send and receive faxes and emails right from your mobile phone of everything in your DocBox. The other one is this print server, which I think has made this now a very viable source to really handle all of your documents. If you notice, I just went into an Outlook document. I opened up the PDF, and I need to now associate this with this particular transaction. So I'm going to click on the print button. It gives me the option here of printing to home office. I'm going to select the DocBox printer, and I'm going to click OK. Upon doing so, it's going to open up a new dialog box where I must enter my password and hit continue. Once I do so, I'm able to label it, whatever document name, and then I'm allowed to upload it to a particular transaction. So I'm going to select 108 Judson. Now you can envision this as being an attorney approval or a property condition release or a property inspection release or any sort of document. I click OK that it's been processed, the process has been handled, and you'll see as quickly as I did, boom, there's the example and it's been uploaded. So you can see how beneficial this product can be. That's it for this Tuesday's Tech Tip. Hope it was helpful. Take care.